Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14T Pro and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now at the very top we've got date and time, so let's tap on it, and here we've got the options which are currently inactive, which means that we cannot manually change date, time and the time zone. It is because we are using all of the options, those options are set automatically. So first of all we have to turn off both of those switchers, and now let's tap on date, and just by swiping change the date to the desired one. Then the same situation with the time, just by swiping and confirm it with OK, it will be immediately applied. The same with the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and here you've got the full list of available regions from which we can choose, so just find yours and tap on it just like that. And of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Alright, you can use location for the time zone. You can change also the time format, which is currently automatic, but you can manually set it to the 24-hour or 12-hour format. Totally up to you, just tap on the specific option. And the dual clock, which means that after turning on this option by using the switcher, your device will display two different clocks on the home screen and the lock screen, I believe. The first one from the place you're currently in, and the second of your choice. So you can choose the second clock. It's up to you totally. So that was the manual customization of date and time, and all you have to do to get back to previous settings is to tap on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.